Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of accelerated learning and understanding. If you've ever found yourself struggling to grasp complex concepts or wishing to learn more efficiently, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll be exploring the renowned Feynman technique, a powerful learning strategy named after the legendary physicist Richard P. Feynman. So, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the Feynman technique. Before we delve into the magic of the Feynman technique, let's briefly introduce the brilliant mind behind it, Richard P. Feynman. As a Nobel laureate and a passionate educator, Feynman believed that true understanding comes from the ability to explain complex concepts in simple terms. By teaching others or simplifying material for oneself, learners solidify their grasp on the subject matter. The technique emphasizes active learning, engagement, and critical thinking, making it an invaluable tool for students and lifelong learners seeking mastery. Now, let's uncover the essence of the Feynman technique. Section 2. The step-by-step process. The Feynman technique follows a straightforward step-by-step process that anyone can apply to their learning journey. So, let's walk through each step together. 1. Choose the topic or concept. The first step is to select a specific topic or concept you want to learn or improve your understanding of. Keep it manageable and focused for effective learning. 2. Pretend to teach the concept to a layperson. Now, imagine yourself as a teacher with no prior knowledge of the subject. Start explaining the concept in simple language, avoiding jargon and technical terms. This will help you break down the complexity into its fundamental components. 3. Identify gaps and incomplete understanding. As you explain the concept, pay attention to any gaps in your knowledge or areas of incomplete understanding. Make note of these, as they will guide your further study. Return to the source material. Revisit the original source material, be it a textbook, article, lecture, or video, to fill in the gaps identified earlier. Understand the underlying principles and connections between different elements of the topic. Simplify and clarify further. Once you've grasped the material better, simplify your explanation even further. Use analogies, metaphors, or everyday examples to make the concept crystal clear. Teach again. Now, it's time to teach the concept once more, incorporating the improvements you made in the previous step. By doing this, you reinforce your understanding and uncover any lingering uncertainties. Review and refine. Lastly, review your revised explanation and compare it to the original source material. Keep refining your understanding and explanation until it accurately reflects the complex topic. The neuroscience behind the Feynman technique. Understanding how our brains learn can help us appreciate why the Feynman technique works so well. Our brain's neural connections are strengthened through active learning, like explaining a concept to someone else. Let's dive into the neuroscience. Active learning and neural pathways. Active learning, as promoted by the Feynman technique, engages higher-order cognitive processes. This leads to the formation of new neural pathways, reinforcing connections between different brain regions. Space repetition and memory consolidation. The iterative nature of the Feynman technique involves spaced repetition, a proven method for enhancing memory retention. By revisiting and refining explanations over time, we strengthen our long-term memory and understanding. Advantages and applications. Now that we know how the Feynman technique works, let's explore its many advantages and discover how it can be applied in various fields. Advantages of the Feynman technique. The Feynman technique offers accelerated learning, deeper comprehension, improved retention, and increased self-confidence. It equips learners with a powerful tool for tackling complex subjects effectively. Applications in various fields. This technique's versatility makes it applicable across a wide range of disciplines. From science and mathematics to humanities and language learning, the Feynman technique can revolutionize your approach to learning. Section 5. Overcoming challenges and limitations. Like any learning strategy, the Feynman technique comes with its challenges and limitations. Understanding these can help us maximize its benefits. Common challenges faced by learners. While the Feynman technique is highly effective, learners may encounter challenges during implementation. Identifying and addressing these hurdles will lead to a more successful learning journey. Potential limitations. Although the Feynman technique is a fantastic tool, it may not be suitable for every situation. We'll discuss its potential limitations and when other strategies might be more appropriate. And there you have it, the incredible Feynman technique, a gateway to faster learning and profound understanding. By breaking down complex concepts and teaching them in simple terms, you empower yourself to embark on a journey of intellectual growth and enlightenment. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow learners. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of knowledge.